OnePlus is synonymous with high-end smartphones that often cost a few $100s less than Apple and Samsung competitors. Its newest flagship smartphone is the OnePlus 7T Pro, which offers a snappier Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, a gorgeous 90Hz curved display, and capable triple rear-facing cameras. I have spent the last week trying to figure it out how the OnePlus 7T Pro, which costs Rs 53,999, lives up to the promise of being a fancy new Android flagship.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
The OnePlus 7T Pro looks visually identical to the OnePlus 7 Pro. It feels familiar in your hands and pocket. Whatever you may say, the OnePlus 7T Pro feels luxurious and its build quality matches the likes of Galaxy S10 Plus and iPhone 11 Pro. The curved display is still edge-to-edge AMOLED panel and HDR10 capable. The phone's frame is metal and the back is protected by Gorilla Glass. The device also has the same 16-megapixel pop-up camera that rises out of the handset's top. The in-display fingerprint scanner is faster and more accurate than the one used in the OnePlus 7. Unfortunately, despite being pitched as a top-end Android flagship, the OnePlus 7T Pro neither offers water resistance nor wireless charging. The phone sports a 6.67-inch Fluid AMOLED display. Since OnePlus uses an AMOLED panel, images displayed had richer colors and videos look sharper and brighter. The highlight of the OnePlus 7T Pro's display is that it has a 90Hz refresh rate, which means the screen updates 90 times per second. Everything feels smoother from apps, games, web pages to the user interface. In comparison, both Apple iPhone 11 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus have a usual 60Hz refresh rate. There's no getting around. The OnePlus 7T Pro is a huge phone. While I never felt uncomfortable holding the phone, one-handed use could be an issue. But you can't ignore the fact that OnePlus 7T Pro is a fast smartphone. The device has Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 855 Plus processor coupled with 8GB of RAM and 56GB of UFS 3.0 storage. In my week-long testing, the OnePlus 7T Pro never struggled to run my favorite games like Call of Duty or open apps. What I also like about the OnePlus 7T Pro though is that it never heats up while continuously playing games at a stretch. The phone's 4085 mAh battery lasted more than a day on a single charge, and that makes the OnePlus 7T Pro a great smartphone. And if you want to improve power efficiency, you can always turn the 90Hz refresh rate to a regular 60Hz. While OnePlus 7T Pro doesn't include wireless charging, the phone does come with fast charging support. Thanks to 30-watt wrapped charger, which is included in the box, it fills dead phone from 0% to 70% in roughly half an hour. The device runs Oxygen OS 10, which is based on Android 10. You can easily swipe up or down from anywhere on the home screen to access the notification shade or pull up your entire list of apps. OnePlus also added a new Zen mode. This basically shuts you out from your phone for up to 60 minutes. No notifications will appear and you won't be able to run apps other than the default camera app. You will be able to take and make calls though, so you won't be completely cut off. Like the OnePlus 7 Pro, this phone too has 3 cameras on the back, a 48-megapixel main sensor, an ultra-wide 16MP unit and an 8MP telephoto lens. The primary camera captures lots of high-contrast shots. The 16MP ultra-wide camera is particularly useful for shooting tall buildings and skyscrapers or scenes with large group of people. There is also a portrait mode which adds a bokeh effect, the shallow depth of field that keeps the subject in focus but blurs the background like a DSLR. But the phone fails to match the likes of Apple iPhone 11 in low light. Video quality was likable and so was the selfie camera. If you still have a OnePlus 5 or 6T and are looking for an update and have Rs 53,999 to shell out, I would say to get the OnePlus 7T Pro. I think it's an excellent choice. You are getting a phone that has the best specs and possibly a great camera. However, don't ignore the OnePlus 7T completely. It only costs Rs 37,999 and offers everything you need from a flagship Android smartphone in 2019.